Hi guys, today I've heard of me LG Q70 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and after that tap to network and internet section. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher, tap to this section. After that we'll see here all the available networks. For example, now we can see that we connected here to this network. We can't forget this network, the password, and just to select the another one. So I just want to show you how to do that. So we just should select the network. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, just click on this checkbox. Also you can show the advanced options if you want. So let's enter the password. I'll enter it out of screen. After that, just tap to connect. Wait a second and we can see that we're just successfully connected to this network. By the same way, we can select just more networks, enter the passwords, tap to connect. After that, when you'll tap to the right upper corner to these three dots, you'll see here the saved Wi-Fi networks, so you can switch between them. If you wanna just forget it, just by the same way click it, but you shouldn't do that every time, so you can connect to 2, 3, 4 or more networks in one just time and just switch between them. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should just click to the switcher to turn it off, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts and then you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate the Wi-Fi. To turn it off, you should also click on this icon, and to launch the Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon by this way, or just first turn it on and after that press and hold it, and now we can see the same Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.